यहाँ चालत नहीं है चंद्रा। बब्बर कहाँ नहीं चलत।
Good evening. Good evening, India. And good morning, America.
Good evening.
And a very late good evening to Australia. Welcome all to this holistic lifestyle session. I'm so glad to see so many people here, all health enthusiasts, to come on this path and just make the little correction that we want to do in our lifestyle. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Pinky Kaur. I was born and brought up in a Sikh family. I have been following this holistic lifestyle since the last almost 15 years. You see, somewhere in my mid 40s, I made a very conscious decision. I decided that I will not want to fall prey to any lifestyle disease, and I don't want to be dependent on medicines all my life. That is the reason my search started. So you see, where there is a will, there is a way. वो कहते हैं ना, जहाँ चाह होती है वहाँ राह मिल ही जाती है. So I met like-minded people who were also like me, exploring new avenues, experimenting with food, trying different methods, trying to wean away from foods and activities which finally would lead us nowhere. So in this whole process, there was lots of brainstorming, lots of reading of articles, lots of meetings, lots of sessions. And today, and we experimented so much, we shared so much. Today, I'm so proud to say that each one of us is a crusader. Each one of us is spreading this world around, talking to people, telling them how to come through this health life. I had a corporate job, which I quit about 5 years ago to get into food and nutrition full time. So let's go back. Let's go back many years ago. Let's go back to when civilization was just starting, and man would hunt for food. He would go away in the jungle. He would hunt an animal, or he would pluck fruits. He would pluck vegetables, and he would come home and he would sit and eat, and that would be like sometimes late in the mornings. There were no lifestyle diseases at that time. There were not so many hospitals. There were not so many medicines. फिर क्या हुआ? What happened? Where did we go wrong? What happened that lifestyle diseases came up? People started getting more and more sick. Somewhere we went wrong, right? So let's try and see where we went wrong. What happened? I think what happened, one of the main reasons was we walked away from nature. We stopped syncing with nature. We stopped following the rules of nature. You see, nature has its laws. Nature has its rules. Nature has a rhythm. The sun rises, the sun sets, we have day, we have night, we have seasons. Okay? The sun will not say, acha, abhi to lockdown hai, let me take a rest. The sun will not say, okay, now it is Sunday, let me not, everybody is sleeping, let me also take a break. No, it will come at the same time. The seasons will come at the same time. It is we who have walked away from nature. Just like the nature has its laws, the nature has a rhythm, we also have our own cycle. This cycle is called the circadian cycle. So what is the circadian cycle? We'll understand today, and how we should go according to the circadian cycle to lead a healthy, holistic life. So in the circadian cycle, Yeah. So if you see this diagram, we have three main cycles: the elimination cycle, the digestion cycle, and the repair cycle. So elimination means the body is eliminating toxins. The body is throwing out toxins. Digestion means the cycle is where digestion happens in the body. Repair is when the body repairs, the cells are repaired, when the body is repairing. So we will go to each of these cycles one by one. So elimination cycle, one of the most important cycle of the body. Elimination cycle is from 4 a.m. to 12 noon. What does it mean? It means the body is throwing out toxins. See, there is an input of toxins every day through the food we eat, through the air we breathe in, through the thoughts. Every day there's an input. Every day there is also an output. Okay. Now output is how does the body throw out toxins? It throws out through sweat. It throws out through breath. It throws out through the kidneys to our urine. Okay. So every day the body is throwing out toxins. So that is why it is always advisable to do pranayama in the mornings, do your walk, because then you're supporting the body to throw out toxins. Not that body is not throwing out other times, but it is more prominent at this time. The body is in an elimination mode. That is what I mean when I say elimination cycle. The body is in the elimination mode. The body is throwing out toxins. So that is why we should all, but what happens, what do we do in the morning? When we get up in the morning, we reach out for that cup of tea, we reach out for that cup of coffee. Then what happens? Elimination doesn't take place. Digestion starts. So once digestion starts, elimination cannot happen. So these toxins remain in and they don't come out completely. They start accumulating. Then the body starts giving us signals. A headache is a signal. Constant cold and cough is a signal. Skin rash is a signal. Constipation is a signal. These are not illnesses. The body is telling us something. The body is telling us the body is acidic, there is toxin accumulation, please do something about it. But we don't take them as signals. We take them as an illness. And we pop a pill, we get all right, and we carry on. We don't do that correction of lifestyle. We don't try to check कि मेरे खाने में कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या, मेरे एक्टिविटी में कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या, why am I getting these headaches every time, why am I getting this cough and cold every time. So we don't try to correct the lifestyle. So when we don't do this, the body starts, the accumulation keeps continuing, and then the body goes to a second stage. So it will start attacking your weaklings in the body. So when your pancreas get attacked, you are termed diabetic. When your blood vessels get attacked, you're termed as a blockage in the arteries. When your joints start paining, you're termed as arthritis. See, in medical terms, we can give it any names we want, but for the body, it is toxin. It is nothing but toxin. So then what happens? Then you need a medical intervention. But medical intervention will help you only if you correct your lifestyle. If you correct your lifestyle along with your medical intervention, only then it will be effective. If you take a tablet, if you take a medicine, if you get your stent, and then you say, I have got a license now I can carry on with my life same as it is. No, you cannot, because then what is the guarantee you will not get it again? Why did you get it in the first place? You got it because of a wrong lifestyle. And if you continue the same lifestyle, irrespective of whether you're taking medicines or no, you're going to have these recurring things, or one thing will lead to the other. So we have to do the correction in lifestyle. So what happens is, how do I start? Now see, I so much relate to this because I remember 15 years back, I used to get severe migraines, and very often, maybe once in 10 days, maybe sometimes even earlier, 3 or 4 headaches in a month is quite a bit. Had I not corrected my lifestyle, I really shudder to think that today I would have gone prey to some lifestyle disease. So it is very important that we understand these signals, what is happening, and correct our lifestyle. So what do we do? So how do we start? So how does a morning start? If we have to have the elimination cycle to complete, to support the elimination cycle, what do I do? The first thing is, we all wake up early, right? 6 o'clock, good time. Average, some people get up even earlier than that, which is very, very good. But on an average, at least wake up by 6. Don't be in bed after 6 o'clock. And then when you wake up in the morning, if you're thirsty, take a glass of water. Don't force water down your throat if you're not thirsty. It is not required, because when you take water, it puts load on your kidneys. It also interferes with your biological fire, with your agni in the stomach. If you are thirsty, please drink water, but drink water sip by sip, plain water. If you drink nimbu pani, jeera pani, imli pani, bhindi pani, or methi ka pani, it is going to start digestion. So in the morning when we wake up, we have to delay our digestion cycle to as much as we can, so that the body is able to eliminate fully. So first we wake up, we have a glass of water if we are thirsty, and then we start doing our exercises. We do our, not that there's a lockdown, we can't go out, do simple exercises. We all went to school, isn't it? We all learned all these exercises, bending down, twisting, taking your hands up, taking your hands sideways. These are just stretches, but basic exercises. Do them for 20 minutes, do your yoga, do your pranayam, sweat so that the body is throwing out toxins through the sweat. Take deep breathing pranayam, because lungs also, maximum toxins are thrown out through breath. So do that. And then what do you do? By the time the sun is nice and bright, take the sun. Make the sun your best friend. Don't shy away from the sun. Sun is the only source of vitamin D. Nothing can give you. No food will give it to you. You have to take it. It is free. Nature has given us so many things which we don't even use. So take the sun. Now there's a lockdown. You can't go in the garden. If you have a building compound, you can walk there. You can go to your building terrace. If you have a balcony, you can walk there. There are so many places to go if you want to take the sun. So don't shy away. So take the sun, and then by the time you come home, have your shower, it's 10 o'clock. Break your fast. It's break fast, right? That's why it's say, because we are sleeping so many hours, we've not eaten. That is why the term break fast. Break your fast with some coconut water or with lime water, and have a bowl of fruits. Fruits are alkaline. You cannot get up in the morning and have your cooked breakfast, which is your idlis or dosas or parathas or bread omelets. First, you have to give your body a layer of alkalinity. You have to have fruits in the morning. At the best time to have a bowl of fruits. By 10:30, you can have your fruits. And then after that, if you're hungry again, take some fruits again. So try and do before 12 o'clock, the elimination cycle ends at 12. So before 12, try not to have any cooked meal. See, in the beginning, it is not going to be easy. It's going to be a little difficult because the body is asking for food. The body is asking for salt. So take baby steps. Take your food around 10 o'clock. Around 11 o'clock, if you're hungry, take a small portion of cooked food so that you're satisfied. Trupti mil jati hai. Man ko bhi, aankhon ko bhi, you feel nice. Slowly and slowly, increase your fruits and decrease your cooked meal. It's very, very important not to have anything cooked, because we have to give our body complete support to eliminate toxin, which we are not doing. And so eat your breakfast like a king. That is what we heard, right? We have been told this from years. बचपन से हम सुनते आ रहे हैं. Everybody tells us. I think that is the reason why we are all falling sick. सुबह उठते ही ठूसो. ठूसना है तो फ्रूट को ठूसो. Around 10 o'clock, when you get up, for the first 4 hours, you really don't need. Let the body eliminate. Do your exercise, do your pranayam. I'm just repeating it again, I know. I'm just repeating it so that it goes in our mind. We don't have to run for food. We don't have to run for that chai, for that coffee early in the morning, because it is going to stop our elimination process. So when we start digestion, when we start eating before 12 o'clock, it eliminates the elimination cycle. And elimination cycle is very important. जो हमने खाया है, जो हमने पिया है, जो एयर हमने की है, अगर वो बाहर नहीं निकलेगा, अंदर ही रहेगा, it is going to give us toxins. So understand this elimination cycle, very, very important cycle of the body. So next we go to the digestion cycle. Okay. So digestion cycle is maja. Digestion cycle is when you can eat. Morning 12, noon 12 to evening 8 o'clock is digestion time. So I would prefer till 6:37 till the sun sets. But yes, you can eat till 8 o'clock. So what do we eat? So when you eat your lunch, eat a rainbow. You introduce all colors in your food. You have your red color, your green color, your orange color. Introduce lots of colors in your food. Eat lots of salad. It is very, very important when you eat your lunch, which is a cooked meal, right? You have a dal, you have a sabji, you have your chapatis. But before every cooked meal, you have to have a raw meal. Only raw meal will make it alkaline. Your stomach will give alkaline layer. Don't fear. We all fear of raw meal. So many messages I get every day. Don't fear raw food. Raw food is life food. It has life. It is the food that will give you alkalinity. It is the food that will increase your blood viscosity. So don't do that. Don't fear raw food, but make it colorful. You have make your salads interesting, but very, very, very important to have lots of salad before your cooked meal. So then we have our cooked meal. So what do we eat in our cooked meal? So we have a dal, we have a sabji, we have a roti, and sometimes we have rice also. Don't mix two grains. Mix only one grain. Either have your chapati or have your rice. Because for the stomach to digest, it is not easy. We have to eat foods which require very, very less digestion. The body has lots of vital functions to do, and the maximum function, the maximum time, the maximum load the body takes is for digestion. So give the body very, very less digestion load. Eat food which is lightly cooked, freshly cooked, so it digests properly. So what do we eat in our food? So we have this dal, sabji, and we have this roti. So I said eat single grains. Introduce millets in your food. Millets are the healthy cousins of wheat and rice. You have so many millets available these days. Millets is our native food. That is what our grandmothers ate and great grandmothers ate. So we have kodo, we have barnyard, we have little, we have oxtail. We have so many foods, millets which we can eat, and we can make so many things out of millets. You can make idli dosas, you can make khichdi, you can make butter chocolate mousse out of millets. Introduce millets. They're full of fiber. Unlike wheat and rice, they have lots of fiber and they can be eaten. Okay. So here are the okay. So here are the colors of the food. See, we have all the different colors. These are the salads. You have them with your sauces. I conduct these cooking classes very, very regularly. If anybody wants to learn how to make these healthy salads or how to make food which is very, very light, you can put in your name and your number and I will get back to you. Secondly, also what do we do is we have to eat freshly cooked food. Food when it is cooked within 5 hours, we should try and finish it. Keeping leftovers in the fridge, taking them out and having them every day is not healthy at all. You can do it once in a way, but not on a regular basis. I remember some time back, a mother called me and she had a 10-year-old son, and she needed some help. She asked me, "Can you help me? I have a son who's 10-year-old, and he is very acidic, and he's also putting on weight. He has digestion issues." So we got talking. So I asked her, okay, so as we were talking, I asked her, okay, what about the food? Whatever food does he eat? So she said, oh, he loves biryanis. I said, okay, good. There is no harm in eating a biryani. So she said, oh, he loves biryani. So what I do is, मैं पतीला भर के बना देती हूँ. I make it like this, and then I keep it in the fridge. So every day, then I remove little. I microwave it, and I give him to eat. And वो बड़े खुश होके खाता है. He does his homework also very happily. So you see what we are doing? Even home cooked food, we are making it unhealthy. Keeping it, putting in the refrigerator, removing it every day, and microwaving it. So what is happening? The food is tamasic. The food is dead food. It is tasty, but what is it doing to your body? It is not giving you zero. It is giving you zero nutrition. On the contrary, it is adding toxins. So when you make this food, please also make sure you're using proper cookware. हम non-stick use करते हैं, हम microwave use करते हैं, हम एल्यूमिनियम यूज करते हैं. These are equipments which emit toxins and they go in the food and the food comes to us. So we have to be very careful how we are cooking the food. So use stainless steel, use cast iron, use clay pots. There are plenty available, and these are not even expensive. They're very cheap utensils. Now, if you have very expensive non-stick, I'm not saying throw it out, but at least keep it to bare minimum use. कभी कभी use करना हो तो कर लो. Don't. I'm not saying just change it overnight, but at least be aware. Come in awareness. What are we doing? We are cooking food in the wrong way. So when you're cooking food the wrong way, good food also goes bad, isn't it? So now what we will do is and then how are we eating? Now हमने खाना ले लिया plate में, and then we are sitting in front of the TV and we're eating. This is fun period. Or we are on the phone. Hello, hi, oh really? Oh, okay. And then we are eating. And then suddenly we realize we finished eating. The plate is gone. क्या खाया पता है? पता नहीं कुछ खाया था. Are you full? I don't know, maybe. You want more? I don't know, maybe. You see what happened? That food, you think the body absorbed it? No. Why? We did not even chew it. We have a set of teeth in our mouth. We don't have a set of teeth in our stomach. The digestion starts from the mouth. The saliva has to mix with your food. The saliva has digestive enzymes. If you're not going to mix your saliva with the food and you're not going to take it in like this, your stomach is only a mixer. स्टमक में मत समझो कि कोई ऐसे बड़े बड़े क्लॉज हैं, खाना आएगा वो उसको लेगा और उसको बड़ी बड़ी काटेगा, उसको चर्न करेगा, कुछ नहीं. In the stomach, it is mixing with your enzymes and it is mixing with your digestive juices, and then it goes to the small intestine. And the small intestine does the absorption, absorb the nutrients, and the waste matter it throws out. But this absorption, it depends on the two functions preceding it, the digestion and the chewing. So chewing slowly is very important. And do not have water between your meals. Have it 1 hour before or 1 hour after. That is what we have to be very careful when we are doing our lunch. What about dinner? Dinner can be same as lunch, but have it earlier. The earlier you have dinner, the better, because then you get more time, more gap to your sleep. In dinner, you can keep it even lighter than your lunch, or you can have it same as lunch. Same way, salad तो खाना ही है. अगर आप cooked खाना खा रहे हो, if you are eating a cooked meal, you have to precede it with a raw meal. वो आप इसको आप गांठ बांध के रख लो और raw से डरो नहीं. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, कोरोना से डरो नहीं, raw food से डरो नहीं. Only raw will help you. It will give you it will improve the quality of the immunity cells. It will build the immunity cells. बहुत सारे अफवाहें हैं, बहुत सारे रूमर्स हैं, but please eat raw food in its best form. It's live food. Okay. What about snacks? Now, snacks come between lunch and dinner, right? The time between 4ish, 5ish, hunger strikes again. भूख लगती है फिर. That is the time we binge. That's the time we eat a samosa, we have a vada pav, we have some pizzas, or we have something else. That time, eat fruits. Because if you pick up a fruit when you're very hungry, your body will know, boss, abhi to yahi milega. And then slowly your body gets used to it. You can eat your raw food once in a way. Like for me, if I am hungry around 5ish, I have a dinner. Because snack is always an extra meal. So why have an extra meal? खाना ही खा लो. जब 1 घंटे के बाद डिनर करना ही है तो खाना ही खा लो. So for me, I prefer, I don't have the snacks, I just have the dinner. But if you want to have snacks, you can have fruits, or you can have some soaked nuts, or you can have some sprouted bale. It is very good. Now when we're eating our food, how do I know कि जो मैं खाना खा रही हूँ, is it will it take more time to digest, will it take less time to digest? How will I know? I have a very simple benchmark, MRP. I just keep this in mind. If it is MRP, if the food is under this category, then I don't eat it. Because I don't eat it means I realize that this food will take time to digest and it is not the food which is meant for me. What is M? M is milk and milk products. What is R? R is refined food like oil, like sugar. What is P? P is packaged and processed. Why not milk? You see, milk today is not the milk which we were getting earlier. Okay, now we know, I mean, what is the population? Let's take India, for example. What is the population of India? We will just talk about, I'll just talk about India now. Modi ji keeps telling us, we all know it's
120
130
crores.
So imagine 130 crores of population. If you take an average 4 members per family, okay, how many crores? And if you take 1 liter of milk per family, how many liters? इतनी गायें हैं हमारे पास? Do we have that many cows? What is
No, we
happening?
do not
What is
have.
happening? Is that getting? Is it really somebody is calculating? I think that milk that we are getting, is it really milk or there is a mixture? और ये खाली दूध नहीं है, इसका
It's
पनीर
adulterated.
अलग से, इसका अलग से मिठाइयाँ बनती हैं, इसके अलग से दही बनता है. So what is happening to that milk? So that milk quality, what is happening? The cows are made pregnant every year, back to back. They are injected hormone injections. The way they remove the milk, the machines, it bruises them, it spoils, it hurts them. All those hormones, all that pus and the blood goes in the milk, and the milk comes to us and we drink that milk. अगर हम दूध पीना और दूध के प्रोडक्ट्स बंद कर देंगे ना, हमारी आधी बीमारियां निकल जाएंगी. मेरे हिसाब से तो सारी ही निकल जाएंगी. If you want to have milk, you have this A2 milk diet nowadays, गीर गाय का दूध, okay? Have it, but have it in small quantity. कभी किसी दवाई के साथ आपको दूध लेनी है, या कभी आपको आदत है, छोटा सा लो ना, गिलास भर के लेना है, उसको पनीर भी बनाना है, उसका दही भी बनाना है. What are we doing? This milk is heavy to digest because it is animal protein. जिस गाय का दूध गाय पीती है, जिस स्पीड से गाय बढ़ती है, उस स्पीड से हम बढ़ते हैं क्या? नहीं, we don't grow at that speed. So that milk is for the cow. It is very, very high in protein, which our body cannot digest. What about refined foods? Oils, white sugar, white salt, ripped of all its fiber. It is lots of chemicals. So we avoid refined oils, refined sugar, and refined salt completely. Packaged and processed foods. इसके बारे में मैं क्या बताऊँ? I think we all know. The shops are flooded. इतनी मार्केटिंग होती है, इतनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स होती है कि हमारे बच्चे भी मांगते रहते हैं हर वक्त. You know, when you take a packaged product and you cut it, suppose it's a chips product, I don't want to name any brands, आप chips का पैकेट खोलो और आप खाना शुरू करो. Can you stop at one? Even the ad says you can't stop at one. Of course you can't. It is moreish. The more you eat, the more you want to eat. Why? Because it has addictive preservatives. It has MSGs. It has lots of salt. It has lots of oils, and that is the reason children love it. Even some adults love it. I see them TV ke aage baith ke, ta, 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 ta. What is it doing to your body? What are we doing? Why can't we eat fresh foods? We have to understand this, especially now at this time. We have to take care of our health. It is very, very important that we say no to these things and we go only for वनस्पति ने, नेचर ने हमको इतना कुछ दिया है, हम उसका मलिदा बना देते हैं. Why can't we eat fresh fruits? Why can't we eat fresh vegetables and some cooked meal? It is so much good for us to eat. So what we do is we have this lunch and we have this dinner and we avoid MRP. Now that doesn't mean we don't cheat. Okay, कभी-कभी तो हम खाते हैं, ठीक है? Eat in festivals, enjoy your festivals. आपके दिवाली आती है, क्रिसमस आता है, बर्थडेज आते हैं, enjoy them. कभी-कभी कुछ खाने से कुछ नहीं होता है. दिवाली होती है 2 दिन, हम मिठाइयाँ बनाते हैं 2 हफ्ते के लिए. That is wrong. I mean, अगर आपको मिठाई बनानी है, आप मिठाई बनाइए, गुजिया बनाइए, चकली बनाइए, जो भी बनाना है बनाइए, खाइए, enjoy कीजिए. These festivals bond the family together. They make memories. So enjoy them, be happy about them. But 2 days, Diwali is 2 days. So why are you waiting for 2 weeks? That's intelligence. Christmas is 1 day. Enjoy your cake, enjoy your wine, enjoy whatever you want to have. But Christmas is 1 day. And we go on for almost how many days, I don't know. In all my talks, I always say, what you eat between Christmas and New Year is not important. What you eat between New Year and Christmas is what makes it. Is very, very important. Binging once in a way is fine. Enjoy it. Eat it with awareness. अच्छा, आज मैंने पिज़्ज़ा खाया है, आज मैंने बर्गर खाया है. So tomorrow, day after, for a few more days, I will go high on fruits. I will increase my fruit intake. I will increase my salad intake. Awareness में खाओ. अनअवेयरनेस में खाओगे तो रोज वही खाओगे. That is very, 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 very important. Okay. Now we come to the next cycle. What is the next cycle? Repair.
Repair cycle.
Evening 8 o'clock to morning 4 o'clock is repair cycle. Another very, very important cycle of the body. You see, elimination round very important. Repair round very important. Digestive round में अगर आप एक दिन खाना नहीं भी खाओगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. बट अगर आप एलिमिनेशन नहीं करोगे, रिपेयर नहीं करोगे, तो आपकी बॉडी इज गोइंग टू बी इन ट्रबल. Repair time is, it starts at 8 o'clock. What do? You have, that's why I say eat early. The earlier you eat, the earlier you sleep. So you get a good gap between your food and your dinner. Okay. So when you sleep, try and sleep, prepare yourself for sleep first, you know. Completely off your light. Sleep in darkness. Always sleep in darkness. Your mobile phone should be outside your bedroom. Your TV should be on an off mode. आधा घंटा पहले, at least 30 minutes before sleeping, you know, remove all the radiation aura from your body. Mobile phone को side पे रख दो, TV बंद कर दो, Wi-Fi बंद कर दो. Your quality of sleep will improve. लेकिन हम क्या करते हैं, हम TV चलाते चलाते सोते हैं. हम मोबाइल को फोन के पास चार्ज करते हैं जैसे कोई उसको भगा के ले जाएगा. You know, our Wi-Fi is on 24/7. This, if you put this off, आप कोशिश करो, ट्राई करके देखो. It is going to improve the quality of your sleep. Very, very important. Before you sleep, do some meditation, do some chanting. If you still not getting sleep, एक थोड़ा push-up भी कर लो. The body will get a little tired. You will just fall off to sleep. That's very, very important. So this is the circadian cycle of the rhythm of this cycle. So elimination round, digestion round, and the repair. This is what is the circadian cycle, which is our natural cycle, which you must follow. When we follow this cycle, we come in tune with nature. We align ourselves with nature. And between dinner, when we have an early dinner and we have a late breakfast, we are keeping that 12 to 14 to 16 hours of gap. That is called intermittent fasting. Nothing works more miracles than IF. If you keep this fasting, this intermittent fasting, this fasting between your dinner and your breakfast, it's very easy. हम 8 घंटे तो सोते हैं ना, hardly few hours. So the more you delay your digestive cycle, the more you prolong your elimination cycle, the more better it is. So when you eat late breakfast, your repair cycle is automatically getting prolonged. So what is happening is your cells are getting degenerated, your cells are getting repaired. It is very important not to eat, not to zip in the morning. So हम याद रखेंगे इस बात को कि हम सुबह सुबह कल से उठ के सुबह सुबह खाना खाना शुरू नहीं करेंगे. See, we have to get into the habit. Now it's a lockdown. Monday to Friday, most of us are also working at home. Okay, but we are not traveling. We are saving on the traveling time. Use that time. तो सुबह आप जल्दी उठ सकते हो, अपना ये पूरा कार्यक्रम कर. You can do this exercise, all these things. Evening also you can sleep early because you're at home. It's not कि ऑफिस से हम लेट आते हैं. Normally excuse मुझे लोग देते हैं. हस्बैंड आते लेट हैं, 9 बजे आएंगे, फिर खाना खाएंगे, 11 बजे के पहले हम सोते नहीं हैं. अब तो हस्बैंड घर पे है ना, अब तो कोई excuse नहीं है ना. So now at least get into this habit. So once you change your habits and do it for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 21 days कहते हैं. If you do something for 21 days, it becomes a habit. फिर आदत पड़ जाती है. We all want to improve our lifestyle. Don't we want to do? Is it so complicated? It is so simple. Being healthy is no rocket science. इतना simple है. Fruit खाओ, vegetable खाओ, exercise करो, be happy, अच्छे meditation करो, और क्या चाहिए हमें? Then क्यों हम बीमार होते हैं? क्यों हम बार बार अपने आप को तकलीफ में डालते हैं? So let us try and follow this lifestyle. Okay, you know, I remember. I'm not from a medical background, so I keep updating myself because it is very important to keep updating yourself. And I know I have done lots of research in food and nutrition. And I think last year, was it last year? Yeah, I think beginning of last year, I came across this program. This was conducted by the Art of Living. They have this wellness program. I was amazed how an NGO could devise such a well-structured program. I learned everything about the body, how each function works, how the body works, how each circulation system works, how the endocrine system works, how the hormones work, how stress plays an important role. And I thought to myself, हम एक मोबाइल फोन भी खरीदते हैं ना, तो हम उसकी मैनुअल को पूरा पढ़ते हैं, लेफ्ट टू राइट, टॉप टू बॉटम. We want to know every function, whether we buy a TV, whether we buy a car, whether we buy a mobile phone. What about our body? Don't we want to know? At least basics we should know कि हमारी बॉडी कैसे फंक्शन करती है. How do we, if we have a problem, what do we do? I was, because that program, it really upgraded my knowledge so much. It was really, I tell everybody in online classes, please do this program, because this will give you at least your basic a layman's knowledge, which you know, because we are not doctors, you know, we are not doctors, we cannot understand how the doctors understand. But as a human being, as we are living in this body, at least we should know हम किस में जी रहे हैं. At least we should know our body. So if anybody wants to do that program, you can leave your name and number, and maybe I will have somebody from the organization call you. I'm sure they must be doing it online these days. Everybody is going online, so I'm sure they also must be doing this. So can we summarize this? So I have summarized this in just 3 points: right input, right activity, and right thoughts. So when we what is right input? Right input is sunlight, right input is food, and right input is water. So when we take the right type of food, like I said, light food which is easy to digest, food which is raw, food which is light, food which is lightly cooked, food which has all the colors, and sunlight. Don't shy away. We always shy away from sunlight. Don't shy away from sunlight. Sunlight, 20 minutes. Please take it every day in the mornings. And then right activity. What is right activity? Your exercise, your pranayam, even sleep. Even sleep is a very, very important activity. तो ऐसे नहीं कि हम रात के 2-2 बजे तक, because हम घर पे हैं, 2-2 बजे तक टीवी देख रहे हैं. Don't do it. You're spoiling your health. अब जितना लेट सोओगे, you're eating away your repair time. So sleep early. Automatically you'll wake up early. See, it is a cycle. आप जल्दी सोओगे, अपने आप बिना अलार्म के ही उठ जाओगे. आजकल तो अलार्म की जरूरत नहीं है. हमको ऑफिस नहीं जाना है, हमको बच्चों को स्कूल नहीं भेजना है, हमको फ्लाइट नहीं पकड़नी है. So sleep early, wake up early. This is the time to get disciplined. हम आज नहीं हुए तो कब होंगे? नहीं होंगे, हम कभी नहीं होंगे. Nature has given us this time. Nature ने हमको मौका दिया है. करो, अभी करो, आज करो, आज से शुरू करो. 21 दिन तक करो. 21 दिन के बाद मुझे फोन करके बताओ. You know what? When you okay, last one is right. What is the last one? Right action, right thoughts. Okay. What is right thoughts? How will you get right thoughts, positive thoughts? Through meditation. You must learn to meditate. That is very, very important to calm your mind, to get positive thoughts. See, you can join any organization. There are so many organizations, Art of Living, there's Isha, there is Brahma Kumari. Get connected to any organization. That's no harm. They will all teach you to meditate. They will all teach you pranayam. कहीं भी आप ले जाइए, कहीं भी आप चले जाइए. And then make it your own experience. You know, they will give you a push. You know, so take the good things from them, and then make it your own experience. That is very important to learn, because we need to learn. तो हमको ना, we humans as such, हमको कोई सिखाने वाला चाहिए. Very few are self starters and self learners, because I know how I learned. It was difficult for me, because I had to learn to cook. I did not know how to cook, so I had to learn to cook with no milk. I had to learn to cook with no oils. I mean, I have been dairy free, oil free, gluten free since a long, long time. But I have lived a very, very healthy life. That is why now that I have experimented on myself, I have learned it. So I know the conviction is there. So I impart this knowledge. I tell everybody, I teach them, and I know many, many people have benefited with this. So we have to understand this knowledge. Then we have to implement this knowledge. Then we have to observe what is happening to our body, how is it, keep experimented, then the conviction. अगर आप शुरू ही नहीं करोगे, खाली सुन लोगे और शुरू नहीं करोगे, तो आपको experience नहीं आएगा. तो इसको अगर आपने अभी समझा है, what I will do is, this recording of this meeting, I'm going to send to each one of you irrespective whether you attended or no, so that you hear it again and again. If you may, and if you have any doubts still, you can always call me anytime. I have given my number in the first slide. You can always call me and ask me. And then, we have to do hand holding. Okay. Somebody held my hand, and that is why I'm here today. And that is why I can talk, I can say this with conviction. It works, isn't it? Otherwise, I would not be saying this with conviction. So, are there questions? Okay. Okay. So before I take your questions, can I take just 1 minute of your time? Just 1 minute of your precious time. I want to do a poll survey. Okay. You can just tick mark yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, and then you can submit, and then we'll take the questions. This was my first online class. I always do physical classes, and I was a little nervous to do, not sure how the online would come.
It was awesome.
Getting used to being tech savvy. It's not easy.
Ma'am, you were awesome.
60, and then you have.
I loved it.
I mean,
I
you have to learn yourself, because कोई हमें सिखा नहीं पाता, फोन करके लोगों से हम बच्चों से सीख रहे हैं. It was not very easy, but yes, but I still wanted to do this, especially at this time. I wanted to spread this awareness, get healthy, be healthy. Look at the doctors, look at the way they are working. They're struggling, poor things. They're working 18 hours.
Even I don't take medicines.
I have a doctor in my house. My daughter-in-law is a doctor, and I know how hard she works, like taking care of corona patients. The least we can do is take care of ourselves and reduce their burden. At least we can do that much.
True.
That's our contribution.
Yes, that is true.
Huh? No, let the polling finish. Okay.
Hi, ma'am. It was a very good session. If you're taking questions, can I ask my question now?
Yeah, you can put your questions in the chat box.
Okay. I think it is getting missed in
we have time.
so many messages.
For paucity of time, if I'm not able to answer any question, please be sure I'm going to email the answers to you.
Okay.
So don't you worry. Okay.
Okay.
I'm always available on phone or emails always. So this is my only work. यही मेरा passion है कि मैं लोगों को ये knowledge spread करूँ. Please be healthy. Please lead a holistic life.
Thank you so much, Andy.
Okay, we are ending the poll, and thank you for your precious time, and we will take the questions now. Okay.
Thank you.
Dhruv, is somebody going to put the questions to me one by one?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be reading the questions. So the first.
कैसे post करें जरे?
What all fruits to eat? What kind of fruits to eat in an empty stomach in the morning?
Seasonal fruits, local fruits. We stay. आप जहाँ भी रहते हो, जिस भी शहर में आप रहते हो, उस शहर का local fruit खाओ. अगर आपके शहर में अभी watermelons हैं, mangoes तो आज का season है ही, तो eat mangoes, eat watermelon, eat banana. जो भी आपके local fruit है, local है, seasonal है, उसे खाइए आप. There is no harm. Mangoes के बारे में एक बार मैं बता दूं. Everybody thinks mangoes are very heaty and mangoes have lots of calories. See, if mangoes were heaty, nature would not grow them in summers. Nature will not give you what is not good for you. So please eat mangoes without any guilt. Watermelon is the most alkaline fruit available these days. Okay, it is full of water, but watermelon is a leave me alone fruit. That means doesn't mean you sit alone and eat. It means you don't mix watermelon with any other fruit, because it is high in water content. So what happens is when you eat a watermelon, it's like drinking 3 glasses of water or 4 glasses of water. So जब हम बहुत पानी पी लेते हैं और फिर कुछ खा लेते हैं, our stomach normally goes for a toss, isn't it? इसलिए when you eat any melon, whether it is watermelon or muskmelon, melons should always be eaten alone. No mixing of melons. Normally, you should eat mono fruits because it's easy for digestion. But हम 6 केले नहीं खा सकते ना, तो हमको थोड़ी सी variety चाहिए. So you can don't mix citrus and non-citrus fruit. आप केला खा रहे हो तो you can have one banana with one apple, but don't have a banana and an apple with grapes. Don't do that, okay? Otherwise, eat fruits. Fruits are a man's best friend. We are born fruitarians.
Next,
Can I ask one question?
you can write your question.
Can you put it on the chat, please? Because we have questions on the chat. Please put it on the chat. We'll answer it. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, somebody is asking, can we have yogurt in milk? Is it okay to have yogurt
during dinner?
Yeah, see, yogurt is dahi, is dairy basically. Yes, if you like it, you can have it. That is not an issue. But have it, like I say, have milk in small quantities. Like, you know, it's a milk product. It's probiotic also. But if you want to have curds once in a way, you can go ahead and have it. Not an issue.
Yeah, and if somebody is diabetic, then are there any restrictions on food?
Yes, there are restrictions on food when you're diabetic. You have to fruits.
Fruits.
Well, fruits, no fruits.
Yes, restriction on fruits.
Yes, there are restrictions on fruit. You have to take baby steps. See, what happens if you're diabetic? You're already on medicines, right? So what you have to do is you have to follow this lifestyle slowly. Take baby steps. Slowly increase your fruit. Slowly increase your. You can have your raw salads, which are very good. Increase the raw food, the raw portion in your food. Slowly and slowly, once you adopt this lifestyle, then slowly and slowly, with your doctor's help, you'll be able to wean away from medicines. But that is, you have to do it with consultation with your doctor. But you have to take baby steps, because overnight to kuch nahi hoga.
Okay. Anything to replace early morning tea?
No, you can take plain water. Plain water. See, आप सुबह को जैसे मैंने बोला था, only plain water will not start digestion. आप कुछ भी लोगे ना, it is going to start digestion. अगर आपको चाय पीनी है, आपको चाय की इतनी आदत है, सिर में दर्द हो जाएगा, you know, बच्चों पे मैं बहुत चिल्लाऊंगी अगर मैंने चाय नहीं पी. You habituated to it, okay? You can't leave the habit in the day. But before you have your tea, please have some fruits. थोड़ा सा फ्रूट खा लो, give your stomach that alkalinity. उसके बाद थोड़ी सी चाय पी लो, चाय की क्वांटिटी कम कर दो. आस्ते आस्ते जब अवेयरनेस आएगी, जब आप फ्रूट्स इंक्रीज करोगे, आपकी बॉडी आस्ते आस्ते चाय नहीं मांगेगी. मुझे भी चाय की बहुत आदत थी. सुबह जब मैं उठती थी, my husband had to give me a big cup of tea, और उसमें वो ग्लूकोज बिस्किट रख के डिबो के जब तक वो नहीं खाती थी, नींद नहीं उठती थी. आज क्या है, मैंने चाय को नहीं छोड़ा, चाय ने मुझे छोड़ दिया. So you have to understand this. Once you know, your body will not ask for it. Because once your cells start becoming of fruits and vegetables, वही चीजें मांगेगी नहीं. Then you won't feel like. कभी-कभी once in a way मन करता है तो ले लो. But on an everyday basis, if you want to have tea, have the fruit first. But आस्ते-आस्ते वो चाय आपको एक दिन तो छोड़नी पड़ेगी. Because it's caffeine, it's milk, it's sugar. See, you have to make your choices. Is it good for me? Is it not good for me? You make your choice. And you come into awareness, then you won't even have to ask me this question again.
Okay, next question. How do we ensure that the raw fruits and vegetables we are consuming are not infested with worms or pesticides?
See, you have to, first thing is try and buy, at least in this lockdown, try and buy organic as much as you can. Okay. Now, if you're not buying organic, you're buying non-organic, please wash it very nicely. उसको खूब अच्छी तरह से rinse करो, पानी में दो. Wash it, and then अगर कीड़े हैं तो दिखते हैं ना. You can always see cauliflower में कीड़ा है, या broccoli में कीड़ा है, मटर में कीड़ा है. You can always see. You can check it out. That is not an issue. But wash your vegetables thoroughly. But don't shy away. Your food has to be vegetable based, fruit based, and not grain based. You know, not too much of wheat and too much of rice, because they are heavy to digest. See, we have to always see the food that we're eating. Is it easy to digest? Is it easy to eliminate? If it is heavy to digest, then you know it's going to take a long time, which means heavy to digest means more energy loss. The body is going to use more energy. See, we always say, no, food is a source of energy. So जब heavy खाना खाते हैं, फिर हम ढूंढते हैं आधा घंटा सो जाएं क्या, बहुत पेट भर गया, नींद आ रही है, थक गए. Food is supposed to give you energy. Why is food draining you of energy? You ate the wrong food. You will get your own answer. So then you will know कि ये जो मैंने खाना खाया था वो heavy था मेरे लिए. And always eat less than your capacity. अगर वो एक चपाती की जो गुंजाइश बची है ना तो आप मत खाइए. और आपके घर में कोई गेस्ट आए ना, don't force anybody to eat.
Okay, next.
Everybody has their own capacity. लेकिन हम लोग गिरी में we are so एक रोटी और ले लो, थोड़ी चावल और ले लो, मेरे लिए ले लो, मेरे बच्चे के लिए ले लो. Don't do that. Please don't do that because that he has to deal with it tomorrow, not you. Understand?
Yeah. How do you get B12 if you do not have any milk or milk products?
See, if you chew your food properly, any food, if you chew it properly, your absorption of what you eat is going to be, your body will get the nutrients. Body is very smart, is very intelligent. And then like I said, the right inputs, you have to take the sun, you have to drink lots of water, and you have to eat good food. If you eat all these things combined, you will have no issues. Chewing is very important because if you don't chew food properly, the best of foods, your body is not going to absorb the nutrients. तो अभी आज आप डिनर खाओगे ना तो उसको chew करके खाना, टीवी के सामने नहीं खाना, फोन लगा के नहीं खाना. Chew it, eat with awareness. Food खाने को देखो और खाने को खाते जाओ. Eat with a smile. Eat with your family. एक वहाँ बैठा है खा रहा है, टीवी देख रहा है, एक वहाँ बैठ के फोन पे खाना खा रहा है. We have to sit together, eat together, smile together.
Please mention most alkaline foods.
Most alkaline foods?
Yeah.
All fruits, all raw vegetables are all alkaline. Your gajar, your kakdi, your tomato, your bell peppers, all your fruits are all alkaline.
Okay. If we do not eat or drink anything before 12 and directly have lunch, how does it work for the body?
It works very well. At least for me, it works. I don't have anything till 12 o'clock. So for me, it works very well. You have to listen to your body. Because it is not that suddenly मुझे ऐसे हो गया, overnight नहीं हुआ है. It has taken me time over a period of years. I have increased my time. 10 बजे का 11 किया, 11 का मैंने 12 किया. For me, it works perfectly well. For everybody, its time could be different, but at least don't eat anything at least 4 hours after you wake up. But that doesn't mean you wake up at 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock and then you eat at 1 o'clock. 6 o'clock has to be at least waking up time. Your elimination will start after you wake up, your elimination starts. So at least give your body that time to eliminate. So do your exercise, do your pranayam. So for me, 12 o'clock works perfectly well. But your body will tell you.
Mm-hmm. Tell us something about green juice. Is it required or no in the morning?
Green juice is a cleanser. Okay. Yes, you can have green juice. You can have your fruits and then you can have your green juice. That is absolutely no problem. It's an excellent cleanser for the body. जैसे वो सर्फ और रिन जो आपको धोती है ना कपड़े आपके scrub. This is what green juice does to you. It's an excellent to have in the morning. It's a cleanser. So please have it in the mornings. You can have that before 12 o'clock. Because that will also support your elimination cycle because it helps to eliminate.
Pinky, I have one question regarding green juice. Will you mention the quantity? Can you hear me, Pinky?
Yeah. You want to mention the quantity?
Yeah, green juice, on daily basis. How many? What is the quantity?
You have 1 to 2 glasses. You start with 1 glass. You can go up to 2 glasses of green juice. That is not an issue.
That's all.
Yeah. You can have 2 glasses. You can have 3 glasses. I mean, that's fine. I have 3 glasses. I have sometimes even 1 liter, but that depends on every person. But you can have 1 glass, 2 glass. But when you're having your green juice also, please sip it slowly. Don't drink gar. Sip it slowly, take the saliva, and then you devour your green juice. Enjoy it.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Are root vegetables tamasic in nature?
Root vegetables are tamasic in nature? No, not really. Some of them are, yes. But when you're cooking them properly, root vegetables, all you can't eat raw. Only mooli and gajar you can eat raw. But other vegetables you cook them. So when you cook them somewhere, I don't think they get some tansings.
Madam, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
May I? If someone goes to the gym, is meat healthy for the body if it is taking along with vegetables? Meat made with chicken or mutton?
See, chicken and mutton. I'm not saying don't eat chicken and mutton, because it is, for me, it is an animal protein. It takes heavy load to digest. That is why I don't take chicken or mutton. But yes, even if you're going to the gym, there are lots of vegetarians who go to the gym. There are lots of vegans who are mountaineers who don't even have milk and milk products. So if you eat enough of your nuts and your sprouts and your lentils, so I don't see any reason why you really have to eat chicken and mutton for your gym.
Yes, I have stopped the dairy. Actually, your sister, she's one of my family friends. So I stopped dairy, and it improved my stamina a lot. So thanks for that as well.
Thank you. I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you.
See, people who eat non-veg, I don't tell them you don't eat non-veg. It is all their personal choice. What I only say is, whatever food you're eating, you have to make sure it is easily digestible. If it's not easily digestible, it's your choice.
Okay. I think that's it. We have a last question, which is any replacement for curd, any vegan option?
Yes, there are lots of vegan options. You can make curds with peanuts. You can make curds with the cashew milk. You can make curds with coconut. There are lots of options. Lots of options. Yeah, I do teach these in my cooking classes. If anybody wants to join, they can always join. Not an issue. I think my next class I'm scheduling on the 30th and 31st of May. There are lots of vegan options for curds.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. We're done with the questions.
Oh, great. Very nice. I'm very happy. Okay. Anybody wants to ask anything now? We are well in time. My God, we are so prompt.
Madam, what will be the time for the classes that you are going to hold?
3:30 to 5:30.
Is that time fixed, ma'am?
Well, not yet fixed, but yeah, generally
Tentative.
there's a time normally which suits people, because they are free from their lunch and everything and winding up of their kitchens, and then they can sit for the class. That
Okay,
is the
ma'am.
only time I am doing it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
That's it. Good.
Pinky, can I ask you one last question?
Please.
This is Chanda here.
Yes, Chanda.
Yeah. Suppose we are used to having chas. You say
Yeah.
that you can have curds a little bit if you are used to.
Yeah.
Can it be had along with lunch, or we should keep a gap of?
Yes, you can have along with lunch.
Along with lunch.
Yes, but you can also make chas with peanuts. You can also make chas with coconut milk. You can also do that.
Peanuts don't suit me, so maybe I can try other options. Thank you.
Will you teach, ma'am, all these recipes also in your classes?
The classes are only to teach recipes.
Only?
The classes are only recipe classes. They are cooking classes, so where I teach. Yes.
Yeah. That's right. So, yes. Because suppose I want to have a replacement for regular curd, then I should know how to make.
Class, the curd will come. I'm not sure. I have to still work out the menu. But yes, eventually in the classes, I will be teaching different types of curds, how to make, because most of the dishes that I use vegan curds. So if the recipe demands a vegan curd, yes, I'll be making the recipe in that class.
Yeah. So
I'm not sure whether it will be in the next immediate class, but in the forthcoming classes, yes, it will come.
Yeah.
Can we have some classes on Friday also?
I will check whether I can have it. Sure. I'll keep in mind.
Thank you.
So can we take anybody else? Can we? I thank you so much. You've been a wonderful audience. Anybody wants to ask any question?
I wanted Pinky ji.
Yeah.
I'm Anju here. I had one question. Anju from Ville Parle Juhu.
Yes, Anju.
I tried to get like yellow and red bell peppers because I wanted to make some of the dishes you taught us last week, but I couldn't get them. I mean, not presently. So is there any kind of replacement for that? Can we have?
You can avoid it. You can put something else. Put green.
Okay, because I have green. I've got green. Capsicums I got.
You could, if the dish what you're talking, if it's only bell peppers, then you can make it when you get the bell peppers. Otherwise, you can avoid it. That's not an issue.
Okay. Another thing I wanted to, say that this kind of cooking, we personally have to make a lot of efforts. Like, like making coconut milk, we have to only buy and then, get grate it and then, put it in the mixer and all that. Like all the efforts we have to make. Otherwise, the normal cooking usually our servants can do, though not right now. So, is there any way out for that? Lot of efforts.
Teach your servant to make coconut milk.
That's true.
Personal efforts.
When you want to eat healthy food, there is a cost you have to pay. It's an effort. Okay, there is a small effort. There's a cost. So teach her how to make it. I think you were there in the class where we learned how to make coconut milk. Were you there?
Yeah, I know.
Class? It hardly took 10 minutes. It was not difficult at all. So I think we can teach them also how to make coconut milk. That won't be an issue.
Okay.
They will also give an helping hand.
Yeah, maybe we are.
healthy खाना सीख जाएंगे.
Yeah, very true. Yeah, thank you, Pinky ji.
Pinky, I just want to ask one question. मैं सुबह में ये अपना दोनों साथ में लेती हूँ, अखरोट और बादाम सोक करके. तो अगर 12 बजे
मैं आपको क्वेश्चन सुन नहीं पाई, आपकी आवाज क्रैक हो गई थी. आप दोबारा रिपीट करेंगे अपना क्वेश्चन? मैं सुन नहीं पाई क्योंकि वो आपकी आवाज क्रैक हो गई थी.
हाँ, मैं सुबह में उठ के सोक किया हुआ 4 बादाम और अखरोट खाती हूँ. अगर 12 बजे तक नहीं खाना है तो वो कब भी खाना होगा?
अखरोट और बादाम क्या है? वो
सोक किया हुआ मैं खाती हूँ.
बट क्या है वो? ड्राई फ्रूट है? क्या है?
हाँ, ड्राई फ्रूट
नहीं, वो नट्स है. वो नट्स है, वो ड्राई फ्रूट्स नहीं है. ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट कि नट्स क्या है और ड्राई फ्रूट्स क्या है. आई एम सो हैप्पी यू आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन so that everybody else can be benefited. We call everything dry fruits by default. Okay, dry fruits are kishmish, anjeer, badam, khajur. They are dry fruits.
Okay.
जो अखरोट है और ये बादाम है, they are nuts. Okay, nuts को आप soak करते हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है, because they have to be soaked because then you can chew them very very well. But nuts are supposed to be eaten. You can eat after 12 o'clock. Before 12 o'clock हम सिर्फ fruits खाते हैं. हम और कुछ नहीं खाते, which will require because fruits do not require much of digestion time. Fruits are pre-digested, so they will not stop your elimination cycle. But nuts will. So eat your nuts along with your. जब आप सैलेड खाओगे ना, आप सैलेड में नट्स डाल दीजिए. ये तो शाम को जब भूख लगेगी तब खा लीजिए. So so हम इतना कोशिश करेंगे कि हम 12 बजे के पहले हम फ्रूट्स खाएं और ग्रीन जूस पिएं. ठीक है. हम 12 के पहले कोई भी कुक्ड ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं खाएं, क्योंकि हमको आदत है ना, हमको सुबह उठ के हमको हमारे एग ऑमलेट चाहिए, हमको पराठे चाहिए, हमको इडली डोसा चाहिए. वो थोड़ा ईट योर ब्रेकफास्ट लाइक अ किंग जो था ना, इसीलिए आज हमको सबने बीमार किया है, because it has completely eradicated our elimination process. So because toxins are accumulating, and that is the reason why we are all falling sick today. आप कोशिश कीजिए, you try this. Don't believe to what I am saying. Please experiment it. Please do it yourself. आप 21 दिन करके देखिए. See how your body works like magic, and then you can call me and tell me how you feel. You have to try it on yourself.
Okay. और आपने किशमिश, खजूर और तीसरा कौन सा बोला? अंजीर. वो कभी खाना है?
वो कभी खाना है? वो eat it with, जब आप फ्रूट खाते हो ना,
Okay.
तभी eat it with, because वो भी फ्रूट है ना, वो ड्राई फ्रूट है लेकिन वो भी तो फ्रूट है ना. So eat it with your fruit.
अच्छा.
Okay. Regarding this, is it good to have them soaked before eating, or we can directly?
It's good to have them soak a little bit, yeah.
So even khajur, you mean to say, dates?
Yeah, थोड़ा सा इसको soak करके फिर खा लीजिए.
Okay. Thank you. Yep.
और लंच में अगर व्हीट लेना है या राइस लेना है, दोनों में से which is better?
Preferably rice. Yeah, preferably to eat rice. But we are try and introduce millets in your diet. Millets is a healthy grain.
Yeah.
आप wheat कभी खाओ, जिसमें कोई problem नहीं है. You can eat wheat once in a day. That's not an issue. But रोज every day I would not advise you to eat wheat every day.
Okay, but what about the people who are staying like in other countries where millets are not easily available, or
millets nowadays
the flours are not easily available? So how to deal with that?
Do you get jawar? Do you get bajra?
I mean, I get it from India whenever I come here. So it's like a limited quantity, which lasts for 3-4 months max.
Okay.
So in that case,
in the situation, see what best you can do. Okay. Or maybe if you have rice, you can do rice, or if you can get more quantity of these things. But I have seen millets abhi online बहुत जगह मिलती हैं. Okay.
I mean, you get it, but not in terms of flour or and the quantity is limited. I mean, if we have to feed a family, the quantity is not like, you know, we can order it in a bulk order or something like that.
I mean, you get 1 kg packets of millet. Okay.
Pinky, can you tell something about millets more, please? Can you elaborate it? I am not very much clear with the idea of what is millets.
Millets are also from the grain family. Like I said, no, in my seminar, they are the healthy cousins of wheat and rice. Okay. Millets have lots of fiber, unlike wheat and rice, and they're very easy to digest. They also heal the body out of many illnesses. So it is good to have millets. So you have this, like I explained, there are positive millets, there are kodo millet, there's brown top millet, there is foxtail, and so you have these millets. You get them in India, so you get them everywhere. Okay, so you have these millets. Replace your wheat and rice with these millets, and you can make your idli dosas with them. You can make your khichdi with them. You can make so many things of millets.
Okay, so compared to white rice and brown rice is little difficult to digest. So what would you suggest? Like,
brown rice is healthier side. But having said that, rice is also a grain. So wheat and rice both are grains. Both take more time to digest than millets.
No, I mean brown rice and white rice.
Yes, between brown rice and white rice, yes.
Yeah,
brown rice, it has some fiber.
Yeah, it has fiber, but difficult to digest again. I mean,
no, you have to soak it for a long time.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to soak it for a long time.
Okay.
Okay, can we? Can we leave, or do we still? Anybody has any more questions?
Pinky.
Yeah.
Pinky, I'm Anjana here.
Yeah, Anjana, hi. It must be very late for you, Anjana.
Yeah, but I'm very much interested to change my lifestyle. So
okay,
I thought I have to be.
Okay, thank you. What's the time in Melbourne now? Very late, I think.
It's 10:40.
Okay.
In night.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me, what's your question?
Why do we want to soak the nuts? I eat raw.
We must know it's not even raw. See, nuts have to be soaked because they're easy to chew. You have to soak the nuts because otherwise you can't chew them properly because they're very hard. Secondly, nuts are also acidic by nature. So they become alkaline when you soak them. So always soak the nuts. Always soak them and eat. And eat them between 12 and 8. Not in the morning.
Yeah, I take as a lunch.
You can eat, you can put them in your salads during lunch or in the evening salad. Nuts go very well with salads.
Yes. Okay. Thanks.
Okay.
Also, Pinky, I have one question. My husband is diabetic. So is it okay to give him brown rice instead of white rice?
See, there is no harm in giving rice to a diabetic patient, but you give him brown rice, yes. But see, for a diabetic patient, you have to give in small quantities of these grains. So give him more of raw vegetables. Give him, in the salad form. जितना वो raw खाएंगे, उतना उनकी body cleanse होएगी, and उतना उनका sugar levels भी सही रहेगा. So slowly and slowly, you will find him. He has to consult his doctor, but slowly and slowly, you will find a change in him.
Okay, thank you so much.
You increase the raw part. You increase the raw salad in his diet more.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
मैडम एक बात थी, बस एक बार वो थोड़ा सा तीनों साइकिल्स के बारे में शॉर्ट में बता दीजिए.
Okay.
तीनों साइकिल्स के बारे में.
मैं आपको ये रिकॉर्डिंग भी भेजूंगी, but we have 3 main cycles. Elimination cycle, which is from morning 4 o'clock till afternoon 12 o'clock, जिसमें हमने सिर्फ उसी दौरान हमने अपना एक्सरसाइज करना है, हमने अपना प्राणायाम करना है, हमने फ्रूट्स खाना है या ग्रीन जूस पीना है, ठीक है। देन 12 से 8 इज डाइजेशन टाइम, सो हम 12 से 8 खाना खा सकते हैं, लंच ले सकते हैं, डिनर ले सकते हैं, इवनिंग स्नैक ले सकते हैं। 8 से सुबह के 4 बजे रिपेयर टाइम है, जब हमको सोना चाहिए। वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्लीप।
थैंक यू मैम।
ये रिकॉर्डिंग में हर एक को भेजूंगी ताकि आप इसको आप दोबारा सुन सकें, अपने फैमिली को सुना सकें। यू कैन सेंड इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स, एटलीस्ट let each of you become a crusader to spread this knowledge and you know get people more and more into awareness so they get healthier.
Okay, I have a question.
These are just corrections we have to make in lifestyle.
Yes.
Once we make these corrections, at least we are certain that at least we are on the right track.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, we all know. आजकल तो गूगल में इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन है, मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन भी है, इन्फॉर्मेशन भी है,
हाँ, सही है।
But you have to. That's why you need a good source to teach you all these things. I think I have just been blessed that I got the information right and I'm able to spread this awareness to people around me.
Yeah, I have a question regarding this cycle. When you say elimination cycle starts from 4 to 12, so does it mean that after you wake up it starts, or it starts between 4 to 12? How is it like? No,
because only when you wake up and then you are doing your exercise, then it becomes then it is more effective. Otherwise, it is not.
Okay.
And you have to align with nature. It is alignment with nature only once you wake up. Now, if you're sleeping, then you're not exercising. So how are you supporting it? How are you supporting elimination cycle? So ऐसे नहीं कि हम 8 बजे उठ गए या हम 1 बजे दोपहर को उठ के सीधा खाना शुरू कर दिया. So we have to be very careful of that.
Yeah.
Anything else? Can we close? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, thank you so
very much for coming.
Thank you.
It's been a wonderful audience. And I really sincerely hope that you will implement these changes in your life. Okay, they are small changes. Just make these small corrections in your life, and then good luck to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You can.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.